Good morning, ma.
Okay, on today's topic, we are going to be talking about fashion and design. I believe that, and I hope that on our last previous lesson, I mentioned about fashion and design, how to make dress. You all can understand, right? And what did I talk about the materials for this fashion and designing of creativity and crafts? Can someone tell me? We spoke about the tape now. The tape,
The scissors,
and
the chalk.
and the sewing machine. No, in our previous lesson, we went to somewhere. If you all can remember, yeah, we went to somewhere to go and carry out the practical, but we did not make a video of it. But I just showed you people how the things have been done.
Yes.
Okay. And so today we are now talking about the themes of this fashion and design. Mention can you mention the type of fabric that you mentioned that
Cotton.
chiffon?
Yes.
Silk.
Yeah.
Good. Thank God that everyone remember about it. So now, in this fashion and design, we talk about measurement, right? How to take our body measurement. We first talk about the length, the width.
The
We
shoulder.
talk about the shoulders. And what about the bust? And the bust. You know, in female, the bust is very, very important. You cannot use male measurement to sew a female measurement because of the what? The bust.
And
Which we talk about the last time. And the shoulder. With male measurement and female measurement
They are different.
They are different.
Yes.
They are different. So, in that case, when we talk about all these measurements and how to take measurements, they will talk about when we on our last experiment and our last carried out activities, we brought a fabric. Who can remember a cotton fabric?
Yes.
That we use, that we cut. See the fabric. So now, in cutting the fabric now, we first talk about the measurement. Let's say the length of the measurement that we are taking is a long gown, which we did that day. Maybe in our previous class, we are going to bring the material, our practical tools that we use that period. So let's say the measurement of the person, the body measurement of the person, the full length of the person. Let's say is 34.
Is there a little line down the trend?
You're just making a straight gown, which we did last time. It's just a normal straight gown, a hair, which the length of the person is 34. Then the waist measurement of the person is 28. The hip of the person is this one is waist, length,
The hip
then
is 40.
hip. Let's say the hip of the person is 40. We talk about the shoulder today. We said the shoulder should be around 16.
16. Yeah.
Good and fine. 16. And we talk about the sleeve. The short sleeve of the person is 10. This is a short sleeve. We talk about the sleeve, which is 10. Which is 10. That's all about the body measure. Because it's a free gown, we don't need to talk about the bust. Just something you just show. We use the hip. In a free gown, we use the hip to take the overall measurement because this is the largest part of the body, of the measurement. So when I say that, people can remember that in taking this measurement now, the hip now, in everything you do, you divide it by 4. Okay, we'll say 40 divided by 4 is what? 40 divided by 4. Into 2 is 20 now. Into is what? 40 divided by 4 is what? Is what now? Okay, you say in this measurement we are using the hip. 40 divided by 4 is equals to 10. So now we don't need this waist measurement again. We only use this hip measurement for overall cutting. Now this one now is the shoulder. This shoulder now, we do shoulder divided by 4 again. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Okay. Now this fabric now is being folded into 4. It's a folded 4 fabric. Now when you use this hip to fold this fabric now, when you open it now, we got 10. When you open it now, you see that same 40 because it's being folded into 4. But when you open it, you see that it's wide. It will not be this small 10 measurement though. It will be as wide as the person's normal body measurement. Good and fine. Okay, now we start from the neckline. After the shoulder is being divided into 16, we have the shoulder, we have 4. Now to bring out the neck, we will use 2 here. When you open it.
Why do you say 2?
Okay, because when we use 2 here, when you open it is 4. The neck is not supposed to be down wide, but we are using a round neck, a buba neck that you don't need zip allowance.
Yeah.
You just put it on your body and you will be fine. Now we are taking a round neck, a round shape of the neck. We go this way. Like I said the other time, you make sure that the neck is exactly the shape that you want. You cannot want a round neck and be doing a V-neck. It will not go. That means what you are aiming for. That means you and your customer will have a problem. You get? So after all these measurements now, when you open your fabric, you see that everything have become what you want. Now, after cutting in fabric, after cutting this, you now come to the shoulder to cut out your hand like this to get this. This is the neck. See now, after this is now, from here now, let's say you've gotten everything, then see your armhole. Are you seeing it? When you cut this thing now, you cut it out. In an armhole, we are aiming at using, let's say, an adult that is not fat. We usually use 8 to get the armhole. But someone that has body can go as 9, 10, 10 and a half. But there's a way you open it now to be more wider. Yes, now. But because the sleeve is entering here, as a normal adult, sleeve is entering here because the sleeve is entering. You have to use this 8 for the depth of the armhole, like this, so that it won't tight you. Like this now. This is 8. Okay. Now, see the neck, the armhole, the whole overall whole body, which I said is this. Why this thing is not having body shape fitting? It's because it's a bubu gown and we are using the hip as a measurement, as a free gown. It's not something that is body hug. It's not something that is tightening body, our body. So after this, we go to the sleeve. We say the sleeve. The length of the sleeve is what? The length of the sleeve
is 16. The sleeve 10.
The length of the sleeve is 10.
10.
Let's say the sleeve. Now, is after you turn everything, you now use this sleeve to cut out this. Now, this sleeve now, for a shape of sleeve, it's not something you just, for a shape of sleeve now, you still measure from here to here. You still get that 8 measurement. You understand? You see how this 8 go like this.
Okay.
Then the round sleeve now, because it's a free gown, just have to close it down. So see it. You can see the shape of the sleeve. So I hope and I believe that you all can be able to, if I should say bring a fabric and cover this thing, you all can be able to cut it right.
Yes, we can.
If you can be able to cut it right. Okay, no problem. Thank you.